holy crap, it's almost 6 o'clock. I have been Skyping with my friend Sharon and then with my grandmother, and actually before that I took a shower before Skyping with my grandmother and got ready for the day because last night we went to bed at 5 a.m. and then I forgot to get on Skype at 10 a.m. my time. So I'm sorry again, Sharon, that is really bad of me. I did, however, get started to edit, so I'm going to continue doing that in a minute. But I want to share something with you because I bought shampoo and conditioner and powder from Nutrition Smart. For those of you that don't know, it's a store that sells more natural products, if not all natural products, and it's like a grocery store as well. But I actually tried this Minerals on a Mission pressed powder today, foundation pressed powder, whatever it is, and I don't know if I think it's too light or not, because compared to my hand it's definitely a lot lighter, but that does not look pretty. But that way you can see there's not really a difference between these lines, so I'm not sure, because I asked the store or one of the employees of the store if I can exchange it if I think that the color is not it, but I don't know if the color is it or not. I think that my makeup today looks pretty good, but I can't really judge whether or not I need a darker color or not. But I just wanted to kind of see what it looks like on camera and with the flash photography, what it looks like then. And I'm in a mood for a snack, so what am I gonna eat? I got my Dutch candies over there. I really like this, by the way. This bright new day, complete with 24 hours of opportunities, choices, and attitudes, a perfectly matched set of 144 minutes. This unique gift, this one day, cannot be exchanged, replaced, or refunded. Handle with care, make the most of it. There's only one per person. And I don't know, I just really like little quotes or little sayings like that to look at every day, because it just reminds me that, you know what, today is now, and you gotta live and be now, because it's not gonna do much if you live by your planner or live by, oh, in this many minutes I have to do this, oh, this day of the week I do this, because that's all man-made. And you know what, I'm tired of it. I don't want to follow society's rules. I want to be me and just be human and be okay with it. So far I think I'm doing pretty well. So yeah, I'm gonna continue editing, and I think that's kind of boring for you to see, so I'm just gonna stop vlogging now. Holy crap. It is raining loudly, like really loudly. I am going to make myself some coffee, but I wanted to show my makeshift filter. Cupcake holders, and there's barely any coffee in it because otherwise I'm gonna have coffee with particles in it, and I don't really want that. But oh well, goedemorgen wherever you are, or goedemiddag or goedenavond, depending on what day it is, what part of the day it is for you. Alright, how much water would I need? I am so happy because I have a different powder. I went to the store and exchanged my lighter one to warm 2. I used to have neutral 2, now I got warm 2, and I'm so far really happy with the product because I just read the back of it again. It doesn't have any paraben, it's not tested on animals, it's hypoallergic or whatever that means. But yeah, I think it looks good. What do you think? I like it. I like it a lot. And now I'm back to editing. Boom! heb jij lekker geslapen? Did you sleep well, kitty? Yeah. But a little shot of food was what I made for Brenna and I. I don't care for bacon that much, so I just had the little tiny pieces that were left. But I'm gonna do my makeup right now. I'm gonna set you up right here. Hopefully that is a good screen. Oh, now it's going down. Okay, how am I gonna set this up? That works, I think. Okay, I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm gonna start with Merrill Fusion in color Warm 2. I just got this, and so far I love it, but let's see if I will keep loving it. Because I'm not sure about the color, to be honest. To be honest. I'm going to use Estee Lauder's blush and bronzer. I'm going to use these two. I need to find a better color for my eyebrows, but I use this Smoky Profusion palette, and this color right here is what I use for my eyebrows. Okay, now my eyes, using this Sonia Kashuk brush. I have no idea what kind of brush. I don't know that much about makeup. That's okay. I just mess around with it. Pretty good, I think. Now I am going to use my eyelash curler because I honestly think it makes a huge difference. And I have my Jippa Janneke mirror, which is a Dutch story, and I got this from my classmate in Holland, so thank you so much. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Because mine broke. I actually had two, but mine broke because I love it so much and I use it so much. And now I'm going to use Great Lash Mascara. Unfortunately, it's not my favorite. I love the Physicians Formula mascara because it's more natural. It honestly makes my lashes not fall out as much, and it gets off a lot easier with just water. But I like the brush though. The brush is nice. It's like a funny looking brush. Okay, pretty good. I always make a mess though, so that's why I have Q-tips. And it might be not the most hygienic way to clean it, but it's fast. Okay, today I'm not feeling like putting mascara on my bottom lashes. I don't always do that. So, I'm done. Ta-da! Oh, wait, should I put some on my lips? Why not? What do I got? Oh, you know what? I'll go for Burt's Bees Replenishing Lip Balm with pomegranate oil. Ta-da! Enjoy your dinner, Mr. Kitty. Goedenavond. I made some shawarma with chicken, not with pork. For those of you that wonder what it is, this is what it is. I have this pita bread filled with chicken, garlic sauce, bell peppers, onions, and kale. Ingredients are in front of me, as you can see. And I seriously haven't had this in such a long time, but it's so good. It's really good, Lynx.